Cove, let's go to the greenhouse. Let's go. This is the oregano, and we're gonna harvest it today because it's growing pretty long and I don't want it to grow any flowers. And I got my little basket here. So I'm gonna leave the rest of that since nothing else is really growing out much. Maybe, yeah, I'll just cut some a little bit shorter. So we've got our mint leaves, which smell so good. Like, I truly don't even know how to go about this. Got the thyme, more thyme. I think I'll leave everything else. These are all the herbs I've got. Isn't that so fun? Cove! What happened to you? What happened? What? Look at you. Good morning. I am wearing my 5th day old sweatshirt that I have not taken off because I've been not feeling great the past 5 days. If you follow me on Instagram, then you probably have been caught up a little bit. I haven't really given much detail, but I just had a lot of things going on with my body that I still don't have all the answers to, but I am feeling more like myself as of yesterday evening. And it got me thinking, I really need to get on top of my health and put more priority on my body and my health and my wellness. While I was pregnant with Cove, I definitely wanted to make sure that I was staying active, at least a little bit active, going on walks and being in the gym at least once or twice a week. But after giving birth, I totally let that slide. After feeling really bad lower back pain this past few days, especially being a mom and growing our family, I need to care more about my health. I chose a Pilates workout this morning, just one to make me feel more energized. I can link it down below. It was really good. I really enjoyed it and I feel really energized now. So now I am folding some laundry that has been sitting out for a while now. Good morning, gal. How are you? 2 new leaves from the monstera growing in. The monstera leaves growing in make me really happy. Spooned the cookies in, and I'm gonna sprinkle the topping. These are sourdough sugar cookies. Going in the oven. What does the chicken say? Buck, buck. I've been pretty busy here in the kitchen, but I took a second to stop and get ready. We are gonna be spending some time with Alex's sister Megan and her boyfriend David, and I'm cooking dinner. I pre-cooked the beans this morning in our Instant Pot, but I used the slow cooker function so that I could cook, you know, throughout the day and I wouldn't have to worry about it now. And then I also made some Spanish rice, which seems like it's good. I don't know, it's a little mushy. I didn't have diced tomatoes, but I had tomato sauce. I don't know if I like that. I also pre-made the sourdough tortillas that I'm going to roll out for tonight.
We have here, babe?
I'm folding in the carrots and the walnuts into the carrot cake batter. I'm about to butter the cake pan. I'm trying to do a 3-tier cake, but I only have 1 cake pan, so I might have to bake 3 times. See how that goes.
Well, it smells great.
It does smell good, doesn't it? The first cake out of the oven, and it smells so delicious, and it's this beautiful golden color. It has nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon, it has ginger. Everything in carrot cake is just amazing. I poked it with a fork because we don't have toothpicks. I think it's ready. I had to kind of guess on the timing, but I think it's ready. I have been gradually putting together Cove's Easter basket for this year. This basket I had customized for her last year. I bought it off Etsy. A lot of this stuff I got from the dollar section at Target because they had some really good stuff. I got her little bunny ears for tomorrow. We've got egg chalk. I thought they were very cute, and they were only $1. Also this set of felt root vegetables. This is a radish, I think, or this is a radish. Maybe this is an onion, radish, and then a green onion. I found these books. I found them at Marshall's. Really cute Easter books, and you can like move things. I thought that was really cool. Pugtato, also from Marshall's. The art and the colors are so pretty and earthy, and also who doesn't love potatoes? So I'm excited to give her this. I got her a little watering can, which also came from the dollar section at Target. I water the herbs every other morning and Cove comes with me so she can start watering them. Growing up, we really didn't have any Easter traditions, so putting this basket together each year and preparing for tomorrow is something that's really special, and I can't wait to make more traditions.
look for the Easter eggs.
Do you see any Easter eggs?
Yay! Put it inside your basket.
There you go.
Yay!
Wow, you're so good.
Wow!
You see any over there? Is there some by Papa?
Let's go look. Let's go look. I don't even see it. Right there. What's under there?